Hello, dear all. 12th standard textbook of English is interesting one, especially writing skills. Those skills helps us to develop the creativity among the students. Today we are discussing section 3rd, topic 1st, named summary writing. Summary is an important skill that students will use throughout their academic career. Summarizing strategies can be used in almost every content area. Those will help the student to improve their understanding about the content. When we think summary as a writing skill, it is nothing about scheming, scanning and condensing. What is summary? It is a short, clear description that gives the main facts or ideas about something. Summary is a shortened passage which retains the essential information of the original. We can call it as a restatement in your own words. Please note, you simply reporting back what the writer has said without making value judgment. You are not at all adding any kind of your own opinion. A summary is a condensed version of an original text, usually a full article, book, or any variety of writing. There are few features of good summary. They are can be understood without reference to the original. It is nothing but a faithful reproduction of or contains only the ideas or information of the original. Summary is brief without any unnecessary detail. It is a readable, unified whole. Let's match the pairs. There are various ways of incorporating other writers' works into your own writing. They differ according to the closeness of your writing to the source of writing. Match the following ways of writing in brief given in column A with their description in column B. They are summarizing, paraphrasing, precise writing, questioning, editing and gist writing. In column B you will have the descriptions about them. Just try to match them. How to write a summary? Firstly, try to grasp the meaning of the text. Then give the appropriate title. Usually title is nothing but a topic sentence, that is the main idea from that paragraph. The topic sentence often appears at the beginning of the paragraph. Rewrite the main points in one paragraph. Prepare a rough draft to write the summary. Rewrite the paragraph again. Make sure there are no language errors and that the correct number of words have been used. Write the number of words you have used at the end of your summary. Use appropriate linkers to make complex and compound sentences. Do not give your own opinion or any other references. Do's of summary writing. Firstly, read and reread the passage to understand. That is very important. Find exactly what you need to summarize from the main idea. Identify the main idea through the process of asking questions. If you will ask questions, it will become easy for you to go through the main ideas. Form short sentences on your own. Connect the sentences using appropriate linkers. Remove redundant words and sentences from the key sentences. Avoid your own interpretations, any references, so that summary should be short. Here are some don'ts about summary writing. When you are trying a summary, don't use or avoid repetition and unnecessary details. Avoid figures of speech as they just elaborate the language. Avoid adjectives and adverbs. Avoid any kind of examples and illustrations as you have to focus only on main ideas as well as subpoints. Your language should be formal rather than highly formal while writing summary. So avoid colloquialisms and slang. We have some vocabulary aids while writing the summary. Usually when we are trying a summary, we have to go through the text, the author or in the text. At that time, how to use these aids? The text explains, the text mentions, the text describes. We can use such kind of constructions. The author tells us about, the author assumes, the author provides information about, or in the text we can read. In the text it is said that. We can use these aids to complete our summary. Activity 1. Here is an example. Let us take an article for summary. Here we have one paragraph about learning disability. Now use the following steps for writing summary for the above paragraph. Step 1. Read the article twice. Step 2. Ask questions about the purpose of writing. Step 3. Identify the main idea. Step 4. Write the first draft. Step 5. Revise your first draft and edit it. Step 6. Write the final draft. When you read the article carefully, you will understand the purpose of writing and try to find out the main idea. Your first draft, revise that draft and try to edit it. Then you will get the gist of the main paragraph. Add a suitable and appropriate title to your summary. Title is nothing but a topic sentence. I just need the main ideas for the summary. Here is an example of summary writing. Title is Learning Disability Handle with Care. Please read the summary. Thank you.